Hello guys and welcome back to Nextillo. This is Dr. Vishal and today we are very grateful as today will be joining with us our faculty of Pathology. Ma'am, what we generally see is pathology is a vast subject. Irrespective of that, what made you choose pathology as a career option?
It intrigued me very much because the changes that happen at the cellular and the molecular level.
So what is your idea how to build a strong concept in pathology?
Students are generally very afraid of pathology because there are these huge words and it seems very difficult.